Hey, Miss Taylor. Alrighty, so I'm finished with the outside work and I'm ready to come inside and let's take a look at where we'll put your router.
Okay, come on in.
All right, thank you. Miss Taylor, while I was outside doing the work, I noticed that there were two lines coming inside the home where I could potentially put the router. Now, typically in this neighborhood, those two lines, one would go to the master bedroom, which is over here, and then one would be in the living room, which is over here on this middle wall. I'll just give you my opinion. If you want the best coverage in the home to where you've got good symmetrical Wi-Fi signal upstairs and downstairs, this is going to be your best location, but how do you feel about that?
Yeah, whatever you think works best.
Okay, very good. Well, so what I'll do is I'll put the router right here on this table beside the couch.
Okay, that works.
All right, perfect. Thank you. All right, Miss Taylor, so I've got the router set up right here in the living room, and I'm about to do a Wi-Fi scan because I just want to verify and make sure that the signal is good throughout the home. But what I want to ask you, just kind of, let's talk over again. Where were you, where's it most important for you to have good solid internet coverage in the house?
Okay, probably in my living room, my master room, and upstairs in the kids' bedroom.
Okay. All right, perfect. So what I want to do, I want to scan those locations basically. I'll do a test here in the living room, and we can go into the master bedroom, and then we'll check a couple rooms upstairs. Just want to make sure that the signal's good.
Okay.
And then if you like, I can kind of explain to you or show you the results as I'm testing.
Okay, that works.
Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just stand right here. This is basically, we can consider this to be the living room. And so I want to go ahead and run this test. And so what I'm looking for is mainly signal strength. So the meter is connected to the router, to the wireless, and then I've got this app here on my phone that shows me the analytics of what I'm looking for. So as you can see, we've got really good signal strength here, and the speeds are really good. So I think you'll be fine in this area.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, let's take check the master bedroom. So what I'm going to do, I'll just set the meter right here. And I want to start another test. And so again, as you can see, the meter's testing the signal. I noticed your TV's here on this wall. So we've got really good signal strength and bandwidth coverage. The speeds look good, so I think everything's going to be fine here.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect.
And so if we can check upstairs, I'll follow you.
Sure.
All right, Miss Taylor, so everything is complete. I did the Wi-Fi test, we talked about a few minutes ago. The results were good. So on your service order, I have added some comments here. What I'd like to do is read these comments to you. And if you're okay with the comments that I've added to your service order, then I'd like to get your signature. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on your service order, what I've notated is that the equipment that I installed initially, what we call the ONT, it's located on the left side of the home. So on your service order, I have said sign off complete. The ONT is located near the meter base on the left side of the house. The APC, which is the device that we talked about in the laundry room, I noted that it's located in the laundry room as well, and the router, what we call the U4, is in the living room. And so that's what I have on here. If that's good with you, then I just need to get your signature.
Okay.
All right, perfect. So if you'll just sign right there for me. All right, perfect. Are there any other questions that you may have for me regarding the internet service and what's been done today?
No, sir, I think I understand.
Okay, perfect. So I just want to let you know we do have tech support that's available. So if you have any questions or any concerns, feel free to give us a call at any time. And I'd also like to give you my business card. And so if there's anything that I can do for you, please let me know.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome. Thank you for being a Home Telecom customer, and I have high expectations that you are going to enjoy your service.
Okay, yes, sir.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.